Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David Shapiro located in San Diego, California. My firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about what it means to be a award-winning criminal defense lawyer. Well, it can mean many things. It can mean legit earned awards, and it could also mean awards and recognitions that are what we like to refer to as pay to play. What do we mean by that? Well, there's a couple of legit, peer-reviewed, peer-endorsed awards that attorneys, criminal defense attorneys, any type of attorney, will be able to get if their work and if their service actually earns it. So let's talk about those. What can they be? Well, what thing that you might want to look at when interviewing attorneys in a law firm is to figure out, hey, are these attorneys at this firm super lawyers? Super lawyers is an award that's given out every year. It's a very small percentage of attorneys that actually get acknowledged, and you have to be nominated by other attorneys. So it's not a situation where it's necessarily, a straight popularity contest. Yeah, you need to be nominated by other attorneys, but you actually get reviewed, and people at super lawyers actually look at your credentials to make sure that you are worthy of that nomination and are worthy of that recognition. Another key component, another key award to look at is to see if that attorney or that law firm is rated by Martindale Hubbell. Again, peer-reviewed, client-reviewed, those types of things are what you're looking for. You want to see if that firm or those attorneys are AV rated. That's the highest rating you can get from Martindale. We are at my firm. Okay. Another example you want to look at, any awards that attorney or that firm has won by fellow attorneys in their community. Were they nominated and did they receive an award or recognition by other criminal defense attorneys in their community for their work? Another key component. Now, why is that important? It's important because the people within your own field who presumably know your best and know your work best are nominating you for awards and recognition. Well, that speaks volumes about the type of attorney and the type of service you provide to your clients. Now, there are other awards out there, and I sort of laugh when I see attorneys advertising they're the top 10 of this or top 100 of this. And meanwhile, it's like 600 people that boast that recognition, right? Because a lot of times with these awards, what you'll get is you'll get something in the mail that'll look really fancy. It'll have this beautiful logo, and it'll say, congratulations, you've been nominated to be the top, 17 attorneys under 38 in the city of San Diego with an office with an odd number to it. It's like some obscure, like absurd result, right? But it looks really cool. And it's like, oh, okay, cool. I get to put this on my website. It looks nice. Whatever, right? Until the problem is you read down that letter and it's like, yeah, by the way, for only $350, you'll be recognized. Well, I get paying for an actual plaque. I get paying for, advertising. I don't get paying for the actual acknowledgement. So stuff like super lawyers, stuff like Martindale, those are things you don't pay for. It's a big difference, right? Because otherwise what it winds up being is it's a situation where it's the first person to write a check for $325, $350, pay to play. They're all of a sudden the top 100 or the top 17 or the top, 30 under 30 or whatever the case may be. So be mindful of that when an attorney's like, we're an award-winning criminal defense law firm. Well, look beyond that, right? Because you could win any award. You could win like a participation award that you could give yourself as the owner of a firm. But if they're not legit, peer-reviewed, community standard type stuff, it's just fluff. It's just fluff. So look beyond it. And when you look beyond it, we're confident that you'll be able to find a reputable, locally experienced criminal defense firm to help you out in your time of need. If you have any questions about this process at all, feel free to give us a call at 619-295-3555.